What if a bomb could be dropped on a city, and it only killed one specific person while leaving everyone else untouched? This is no longer a movie plot. It is the most classified frontier of military intelligence. Genetic warfare. For decades, we feared nuclear weapons, but the next world war will be fought inside our own cells. Kinetic weapons are designed to target specific DNA sequences unique to an individual, a family, or an entire ethnic group. Military intelligence calls this ethnic bioweapons, and every major superpower is secretly racing to perfect them. CIA and other agencies have warned that we are entering an era of personalized assassinations. It starts with a simple biological sample, a strand of hair, a drop of blood, or even a used coffee cup. Say, an intelligence agency has your DNA. They can build a virus specifically tailored to attack your unique biological weaknesses. This virus could stay dormant in your body for years, until it is triggered by a specific environmental signal. To the outside world, the death would look like a natural heart attack, a stroke, or a fast-acting cancer. No autopsy would find a trace of a struggle, no poison, and no bullet, only a glitch in the victim's DNA. This is why world leaders are now extremely protective of their biological waste when traveling abroad. During high-level summits, intelligence teams are deployed to collect every glass and plate used by foreign leaders to ensure no DNA is left behind. The threat of a DNA kidnapping is now more real than a physical kidnapping. In 2024, reports surfaced that several nations are building vast DNA databases of global populations under the guise of medical research. Military intelligence experts believe these databases are actually target maps for future biological strikes. Imagine a mosquito engineered in a lab that carries a virus meant only for one specific political leader. This is biodigital convergence, where computer code and biological code become the same thing. Advanced AI is now being used to scan millions of DNA strands to find the perfect kill switch for human biology. The challenge for modern intelligence is that these weapons are completely invisible and odorless. Unlike a missile launch, a genetic attack cannot be tracked by satellites or detected by radar. You could be infected in a crowded airport or through a simple handshake, and you wouldn't know for months. TS creates total plausible deniability. No country would ever be held responsible for a natural outbreak. There is a classified project rumored to be called the Genetic Sniper, focusing on targeting the immune systems of specific bloodlines. We are seeing a shift from mass destruction to precision destruction. Military intelligence is also worried about agricultural genetic warfare, viruses that only destroy the specific crops of a rival nation. By destroying a country's food supply through their DNA, you can win a war without firing a single shot. This is the ultimate form of silent economic sabotage. The cost of building a genetic weapon is far lower than building a nuclear submarine, making it accessible to non-state actors. This democratization of death is the biggest nightmare for counterintelligence agencies. We're already seeing biohacking communities experimenting with gene editing tools like CRISPR. What happens when a rogue intelligence officer uses these tools to create a personalized plague? The era of biological stealth is here, and our current laws are not prepared for it. Some intelligence reports suggest that future vaccines could be used as sleepers, carrying genetic codes that can be activated later. This has led to a massive wave of medical mistrust across the globe, fueled by secret military activities. Nations are now rushing to build genetic shields, defensive systems that can identify and neutralize engineered viruses. This is the new arms race. Who can map and protect their population's DNA? The FOSSIS, Project Genome Shield, is a rumored initiative to create universal antiviral DNA sequences. But every shield has a hole, and AI is working 24/7 to find the gaps in our biological defenses. The ethics of this research are being ignored in the secret black labs of the world's most powerful militaries. We are playing with the source code of life itself, with no way to press undo if a genetic weapon escapes the lab. It could mutate and become a global catastrophe that no one can control. This is the biodigital blowback scenario that keeps military strategists awake at night. Some whistleblowers claim that targeted allergies are already being tested as a form of non-lethal ink. Imagine a soldier who suddenly becomes allergic to his own uniform or the air in a specific region. The psychological impact of knowing your own body is being hacked is enough to break any army. We are moving toward a world of invisible borders, defined not by walls, but by biological compatibility. These technologies is the ultimate tool for population management and social control. Intelligence agencies are now hiring more biologists and geneticists than traditional spies. The spy of the future will carry a test tube instead of a silenced pistol. This is the end of traditional warfare and the beginning of the cellular war IVD medical test. You'll take every genealogy website you join is a potential data point for a military database. Our curiosity about our ancestors is giving intelligence agencies the maps they need to destroy our future. The secrecy surrounding these projects is deeper than the Manhattan Project. No government will admit to having these weapons, yet every government is afraid of them. We are standing on the edge of a biological abyss. The dead hand system was scary, but the genetic hand is even more terrifying because it is inside us. Awareness is the first step toward defense. But in the world of DNA, there are no easy answers. Stay vigilant about your biological privacy, because your DNA is the most valuable secret you own. Thanks for watching this deep dive into the shadow world of genetic warfare. Subscribe to stay updated on the secrets of the future.